We're in Jaybird's testing area to demonstrate the Turbo XE 2000. Hello, my name is Haley. This area has a black wall with curtains and shielded lighting to help illuminate the fog for the camera. Okay, go ahead and turn the unit on and adjust it down to 1 gallon per hour. This is a popular fogging rate when using the Turbo XEs for odor control applications. Output is nearly invisible, with particles averaging less than 5 microns. Liquid to vapor conversion is near 100% effective with no wastewater exiting the drain line. Okay, up it to 5 gallons per hour. This is a popular output for manufacturing type applications. This setting can cover large areas, but the fog evaporates quickly enough to keep all nearby equipment and floors dry. At this higher rate, fog quality is still amazingly fine with fast and efficient evaporation. The average particle size is at 10 microns. Bring it to 10 gallons per hour. This output can be utilized in mushroom growing, produce storage, warehouses, and manufacturing humidification. At the higher output, you can better see the power behind this unit and how it effectively circulates the humidity. The output is plentiful, and the fog quality is very good, with particles averaging 15 microns in size. Okay, up it to 20 gallons per hour. This is an ideal output for large mushroom beds, concrete curing chambers, or greenhouse propagation. The output is impressive, and the fog quality is very good, with particles averaging 25 microns in size. Here is a look at the volume of water coming from the drain line when operated at 20 gallons. At this high setting, wastewater is about 25% of the flow rate. The wastewater percentage decreases significantly at lower settings. At 5 gallons per hour, wastewater is 9%. Okay, open up the flow valve to 30 gallons per hour. That is a lot of fog. At this very high flow rate, there will be some fallout or wetness near the unit. Typical applications for this rate are greenhouses and outdoor cooling. The average particle size is 35 microns. I hope this was helpful. There's one other video in this series called Amazing Fog Action that I think you'll love. Check it out. If you have any questions about the Turbo XE or would like to order, visit our website or give us a call. Thank you for watching.